Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did one eye off camera. I did my eyebrows, foundation, powders, bronzer, and blush and highlighter on this side, and now I'm just gonna jump onto the other eye. So today I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm gonna jump right in. So the first shade I went in with is Passion, which is this shade right here, and I'm also gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. So before I get started with the eyeshadows, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the translucent powder. This is the Pretty Vulgar Mad About It powder. I'm just gonna pack on a little bit for that fallout. So I'm just patting this like right in my crease.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is.
Now I'm just gonna take a blending brush with that same shade and just start blending this upwards.
It's all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
I'm like really darkening up that crease too.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Now I'm gonna go into Eccentric, and I'm just gonna start blending these edges out.
Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I'm just gonna take some of that dark shade that I used at the beginning and add it to the corner. I'm just gonna go back with this one. Just make sure everything looks well blended. So now I'm gonna go into Wild Child, and I am gonna use my finger. I feel the shade looks more intense when you do it with your fingers.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't.
And I'm gonna take some of that same Wild Child color and add it to my inner corner.
Want no rest.
So now I'm just gonna use this combo for my lashes, the Lash Princess False Lash Effect from Essence and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And the lashes I'm gonna be using are these lashes from Kala Lashes. These are in the style Rogue. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some glue. I'm gonna be using the Duo clear adhesive. While that dries a little, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. So while my eyelashes dry, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the bottom lash line. The first shade I'm gonna go into is Electric, which is this one right here.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Then I'm gonna go into Passion, and I'm gonna take a flat top brush and I'm gonna add that really close to the lash line.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
Just going back with the other shade. Make sure these two shades are blended. So now I'm just gonna take off that bake. So while my lashes dry, I am gonna take a nude kohl liner from Rimmel and align my waterline. So now I'm just gonna take the same combo that I use for my top lash line for my bottom, and I'm also gonna add some Tom Ford eyeliner to the inner corner. So for highlight, I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. All right, so I am gonna go into Unicorn and Regal. So I'm gonna mix both shades and just add them.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
And I'm just gonna take like my beauty sponge. I added some of the Evian's facial spray. And now I'm just patting it. And I'm also gonna add the same combination of highlights to the brow bone. And guys, I'm also gonna leave everything I used off camera in the description bar down below. And yeah guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.